Hi. So are you all ready? I hope by this time you have maintained two separate notebooks, one for theory and one for practicals. And you might have also written down the model papers. So in our future online classes, we shall be discussing as many model papers as we can, both for theory as well as for practicals. I hope I have made myself very clear. Nothing to worry, it's very easy. Maintain two notebooks, and then in those two notebooks you maintain one model paper for theory as well as for practicals. Very clear. And we shall be extensively discussing in theory as well as practical classes the different types of model papers. Now here today I have one general exercise for you before we start or before we plunge into discussing the various aspects of model papers. One small and interesting exercise I have for you. Okay, I'll be telling some 3 or 4 points. Are you following me? I'll be telling some 3 or 4 points. All these 3 or 4 or 5 points, they are connected with one topic. They are connected with one thing. So you have to find out, after reading all these 4 or 5 points, what exactly are we talking about? What are we discussing about? What is the topic of our discussion? The answer should be only in one word. Got it? So if you want, you can also write down. If you are very good at listening, you can also listen and then decide what exactly are we talking about. What is the topic of our discussion? So here it starts. If you are ready with pen and paper, you can start writing. If you feel that you are very good at listening, you can listen to me. Okay, I'll be telling some 4 or 5 points. Point wise I'll be telling. Listen to them. If you want, you can jot them or write them down. And then the answer is only one word, remember. So number 1, remember these points are discussing one topic. You have to find out about that topic. What exactly is that topic? And it should be only one word, remember. So I hope I have made myself very clear. The first point is important for happiness. Second one, makes one feel like dancing. The thing which we are discussing now, point number 1 is, it's important for happiness. Number 2, it makes one feel like dancing. Number 3, it helps us express our feelings. Number 3, it helps us express our feelings. Number 4, calms the mind. CALMS. Calms the mind. And 5th one, pleases the ear. 5th one is pleases the ear. So what are we talking about? I repeat, 1 is important for happiness. 2 makes one feel like dancing. 3 helps express our feelings. 4 calms the mind. And the 5th one is pleases the ear. Write them out one by one. Do some mind-boggling exercise, brainstorming session, and tell me what exactly are we talking about. So that is task number 1 for today. Done? Good. Task number 2, very simple. I'll be reading out one paragraph. You can write down the paragraph if you want. After finishing the paragraph, I'll be asking you to underline certain difficult words. You have to find out the meanings of those difficult words. Very simple. Write down the paragraph. I'll tell you the words later on. Underline those words. Your job is to find out what exactly is the meaning of those words. If you are ready, we can start now. Here goes the paragraph. In olden days, masks were made to protect people from evil spirits. masks were also used in ceremonies. These masks were made up of bark cloth and were stretched over a wicker framework. They were then covered with black resin, R-E-S-I-N. Red and white designs were then added. So this was a very short paragraph. I hope you have written it. Once again, I'll repeat it for your convenience. If you have missed anything, you can just make it in this reading. I'll be reading out a little bit faster. In olden days, masks were made to protect people from evil spirits. They were also used in ceremonies. They were made of bark cloth and stretched over a wicker framework. W-I-C-K-E-R, wicker, framework, full stop. They were then covered with black resin, R-E-S-I-N. Red and white designs were then added. So nowadays everybody is wearing mask. I think you are also wearing. So this is about the history of masks. What exactly are the different uses of masks? How the masks originated, so on and so forth. So the paragraph is ready before you. Underline these words, please. You can look for these words. It's a very short paragraph. Write down bark cloth. Underline bark cloth. Done. Next one, wicker framework. Underline wicker framework. Then underline resin, R-E-S-I-N, resin. First, read the paragraph again and again. Try to find out the meaning from the context itself. Struggle a little bit. If you are unable to get the meaning for the first time, read the paragraph again for the second time and try to get the meaning. If even after second reading you are unable to get the meaning, then you can use other sources. And then write down the meanings of those words. Keep them with you. Okay? Don't do anything. When we shall be meeting for the next time, the next week, I'll tell you what to do. Okay? Fine. Stay safe. Stay home. Be healthy. Take care of your eyes. Smile. Remember English classes. Remember Azizuddin. Thank you. Bye.